Hi Amalfi followers, Jonathan here. So we've been posting quite a few videos lately through our social media channels, and one of the most common questions or feedback I've been getting lately is how to treat and seal your current existing natural stone. So I'm going to do some demonstration today with you. Here I have 3 examples of basalt, or commonly known as bluestone. Quite common to see these products outside, and due to the nature of it being quite a dark charcoal color, we have issues with ongoing maintenance. So today I'm going to run you through the process of getting the stone to the right place before we start to apply a sealer. So I've got some examples here with me. What we want to ensure prior to resealing any natural stone is that we give the stone a really good clean. The Nano Scrub from Aquamix is an abrasive substance that allows any grime or soot that has built up on the surface, residual surface over time, to be removed through a process that requires a bit of elbow grease. So what we want to do is apply the Nano Scrub with water to the surface of the stone, get ourselves either quite a strong brush or a broom, and scrub the surface of the stone for about 5 to 10 minutes and then hose off. You'll find that straight away the Nano Scrub is going to absorb into the surface of the tile and start to already rejuvenate that blue stone color. So moving on from the Nano Scrub, we want to hop into something that's a little bit more coarse. This is a sealer and coating remover. So if we are unsure that the natural stone already has a coating or someone has previously sealed the stone, this product here is going to strip away any contaminants in the stone surface. Same process as a Nano Scrub, where we want to apply this with water to the surface of the stone and really give it a good clean. A gurney would be the best way to remove the residue from the surface, and now we want to let that stone dry up for a good 24 to 48 hours. We need this to occur because sealing a natural stone that has moisture inside is one of the biggest no-nos. Here you'll find watermark or white etching coming through the surface. So we want to get that stone nice and clean and allow it to dry, so the pores are reopened now for us to apply some sealer. I guess the Sealer's Choice Gold is Aquamix's finest or most premium product. The application of the sealer is quite easy. In essence, we want to be able to open up that new bottle, which I've done previously already, and we want to apply the sealer to the surface of the natural stone. With our lamb's wool applicator, we want to ensure that we are covering the whole surface of the stone, and you'll notice that it's starting to absorb now very quickly. So as I'm running through this blue stone here, I'm going to require a little bit more product. So here we are, we're just really pushing that product into the surface and allowing each corner right throughout the surface of the stone to be covered in that sealer. 2 coats is our preferred application, and this will ensure that a thirsty or high porous product like sandstone or bluestone or limestone is taking in all that sealer. I've prepared a couple of pieces here last night just to show you the effects on beading and how the sealer is going to perform once it comes in contact with anything airborne or liquid-borne. So here we have a flamed bluestone with the Sealer's Choice Gold, and you'll notice that water is now sitting on the surface and not being absorbed into the bluestone, therefore pretty much giving me the guarantee that the sealer is doing its job. To the left over here we have another product by Aquamix called Enrich and Seal. So a lot of our clients are a bit tired of that dull sort of charcoal look, and they want to give the products outside a really big lift. The Enrich and Seal is a topical sealer as opposed to a penetrating sealer. So the penetrating sealer will allow the product to attack the stone without manipulating the surface, but the Enrich and Seal is definitely going to stay on the surface. As you can see here, it's really beading quite well. The water is just pushing along the stone and at the same time really enhancing the color of the bluestone. You can just see here the sealer doing its job. and same over here. So we'll find that the end result is something that we really desired. In this particular instance, we've got a dark enriched stone, and over here we've got a penetrating sealer that hasn't affected the look of the bluestone at all. Thanks for watching the tutorial. If there is a topic that you'd like me to attack, leave a comment below.